Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Metromile Insurance Review My Usage Experience. Metromile Insurance Review My Usage Experience offers pay-per-mile car insurance. It's designed for drivers who don't drive a lot, primarily focusing on low-mileage drivers who want to save money on their car insurance premiums. Key features include tracking mileage via a small device plugged into your car and offering premiums based on actual driving habits. Their website provides details on how their pay-per-mile system works and allows for easy quote generation. Metromile boasts transparent pricing with no hidden fees and no long-term contracts. They highlight their unique approach of only charging for the miles you drive, positioning themselves as a cost-effective alternative to traditional insurance providers. Availability varies by state. You can check their website to see if Metromile operates in your area. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Metromile Insurance Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The online sign-up process was straightforward, and the small device they sent arrived within a few days. Plugging it in was simple, and within minutes, it was connected and tracking my mileage. The online dashboard is clean and intuitive. I could easily monitor my mileage, see my projected premium, and access my policy details. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to see exactly how much I was paying per mile, giving me a sense of control over my insurance costs. I was initially concerned about privacy, but their website clearly outlines their data collection practices, which eased my worries. I had a quick question about adjusting my driving radius, and their support responded within a day via email, providing a helpful explanation. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Managing everything through the website was a little inconvenient at times. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Metromile. It's a refreshing change from traditional insurance, and the savings are noticeable if you're a low-mileage driver. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and offered significant cost savings compared to my previous insurer. That's my overview of Metromile Insurance Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.